rest our eyes. Whispers of the wind in the sky's disguise. Sunlight dances on leaves of green, a cowboy's dream where peace is seen. Gentle rivers flow with a quiet grace. Nature's hymn in this sacred place. Birds sing sweetly, melting time away in harmony with night turning day. Under the big oak, oh, we feel so free. Nature's embrace for you and me. Soul finds solace in the gentle night. Under the big oak, everything's right. Soft melodies wrap around our hearts. From sunrise to dusk, they never part. A cowboy's soul finds its home in fields of green he longs to roam. Moonlight lights the path we take. Silent stars in a waltz they make. Skies whisper secrets from above. Under the big oak, it's a tale of love. Under the big oak, oh, we feel so free. Nature's embrace